Chabhar Port Explained, India's Strategic Trade Route, UPSC. Hello everyone. Today let's understand why Chabhar Port is strategically important for India and how it connects with regional trade corridors. Recently, discussions related to India Iran cooperation once again highlighted the importance of Chabhar Port. Now, first, let's understand where Chabhar Port is located. Chabhar Port is located in southeastern Iran near the Gulf of Oman. It is strategically important because it provides India direct connectivity to Central Asia, Afghanistan, and parts of Eurasia. Another important term here is INSTC. INSTC stands for International North South Transport Corridor. It is a multimodal trade corridor connecting India, Iran, Russia, Central Asia, and Europe. The objective of INSTC is to reduce transportation time and improve regional trade connectivity. For India, Chabhar is important because it helps diversify trade routes and improve access to landlocked regions. It also strengthens India's strategic and economic partnerships in the region. Chabhar is often discussed in the context of regional geopolitics and connectivity competition. India is focusing on infrastructure diplomacy through ports, railways, and trade corridors to strengthen long term economic partnerships. Another important geographical term here is the Strait of Hormuz. It is one of the world's most important maritime trade routes for energy transportation. For UPSC aspirants, this topic is important because it connects India Iran relations, regional connectivity, trade diplomacy, Indian Ocean geopolitics, and infrastructure strategy. For prelims, remember location of Chabhar Port, Strait of Hormuz, and INSTC member countries. For mains, this topic can be linked with regional connectivity, strategic balancing, and economic diplomacy. Overall, Chabhar Port represents India's long term vision for stronger regional access and strategic connectivity. To learn more, download the EduRef app. Thank you.